So what are we unboxing?
We're unboxing an Alienware amplifier. Problem is, this Alienware amplifier is going to be pretty useless by itself.
Why?
Because we don't have an Alienware 15 to go with it, because that is still not shipped out yet. You know, because 2-day shipping, it's now been about a week and they've yet to ship it. And I've been assured that it's being looked at by an order specialist.
You mean a janitor?
Probably.
Why are you using our steak knives for this shit? Oh my god. I like flinched because I saw that steak knife just going right into your face. Ooh, stop.
Yep. Bubble wrap.
Is it heavy? Ooh, alien!
Like, how the fuck?
That is weird. Oh no, there's a tape on the bottom. Flip her upside down. Maybe that's by design. Oh god, I see you totally cutting yourself.
Catherine, I'm careful.
Unlike me, with my fucked up thumb. Now, why did they call it an Amazon Alienware Echo Dock or some
Echo
stupid?
Series amplifier. They call it the docking station, but it's just the Echo Series.
So it's a boxception, a box within a box, and let me guess, there's probably another box inside that box. It's turning into a Russian doll. Ooh, smexy! That looks pretty cool. It reminds me of the Drobo boxes because they're all black. Mm-hmm. You need to slice it into the lid, not like that. Into the lid.
I know.
There you go. Do you mind if I put this on my YouTube?
Go for it.
Yay! I'll just put Erika unboxes. Because it's not mine.
Should I have gotten drunk for this?
What?
Should I have gotten drunk for this like you want to do with that YouTube series now?
Drunk? You
Drunk
said
Erika does this.
I swear we have to do a drunk Erika building a computer. Because I think it would be funny as hell. What the hell is that? A steering wheel?
No, it's braided cable.
Ooh, that's the
This is the actual PCIe cord,
well,
which I'll look at that in a second.
okay. Jeez, that thing is big. So it is another box within a box.
At least I know they shipped it with a secure...
It's much smaller than I thought it was going to be.
Yep. Which, I mean, it actually is pretty decent sized. It can house a full graphics card.
Yeah.
As they said.
Oh, why don't you go get the GTX 690? Yeah, there's a latch you pull.
I know. That's what I pulled. It's not coming.
Oh, that you do. And then it just lifts. It's probably taped. Nope. say try to give it a little more force. Because it's a lock latch, not a spring latch. There you go. Ooh, you broke the latch.
I did. I also broke my nails while I was doing that.
Was it? Yeah, I think you broke the latch.
Well, I didn't make it intuitive, so fuck it.
Okay.
And as I suspected, this is not a 120 millimeter.
That's an 80.
80.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't be able to put the water cooler on it.
Again, you could always just have it like off to the side. Wait, did it? No, it's not broken. Is it? Okay. So you unlock it and then you pull it up. So it's not broken. It's just hard. I can't even do it with my bare hands, but how heavy is this?
Oh, we're about to find out with the graphics card placement.
Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down so I can open this. It's weird, Erica, because it's like, it's not even the latch. It's like this, I don't even understand it. It doesn't make sense. Okay.
This is 690.
690 is behind the laptop. Just be careful with it. Don't do any electrostatic discharge. You're also going to need a screwdriver.
Which is where?
Phillips head, and that's probably on the floor or it's on the table. Okay, so we have the graphics card. This is a GTX 690, which is a beast and is probably destroyed by Erika's handling of it.
How's it destroyed by the handling of it?
So, from what I've read, you can use a 690 in this. The only flaw is...
Optimus doesn't work with it.
No, it's not the Optimus. It's the... It won't relocate the video signal through the monitor of the laptop. And then we got the two screws. I can't see. I think this is an awesome idea. I just hate that Dell is the maker of this shit.
MSI's made a similar thing.
Yeah. I just hate Dell. I like how they have, like, they don't even bother putting a black power supply in there to match it. You also have your
Yeah, but
cables.
swap out the power supply.
So they hide the cables right here and here. You just pull them off. See? Boom. Oh, it's backwards. That's stupid. So yeah, you just do it like this. This takes two 8-pins and it has two 8-pins. There you go. It's a 6x2. So just not go in it.
Got it.
Okay.
And then we just close it, it looks like.
Yeah. But I like how on the back it's got 4 USB 3.0 ports. It's got that proprietary connector, which can we look at that cable? And it fits in here. This is what, if it's gonna focus.
I mean, the housing looks like it's big enough. I wonder if there is a water cooler that is 80.
It would be very difficult to fit in there, just saying. I'm sure it could be done, because I've built pretty thin servers with water cooling. But I like that it does fit. So,
I mean, that wire brick should be pretty much compatible with anything we can mount on because it just converts into a CPU wire brick mountable.
and then this is the cable.
So this cable does a direct PCI 4 or PCIe 4.0.
But not 4.0, 4X.
4X.
Can I see the connector? Yeah, it's gonna be a pain to focus it. If I did manual focus, it would work. Oh well. So this one cable does... Oh, it's got clamps, that's good. So you plug that bitch right in there. Or, that's upside down. That cable is not that easy to put in.
First off, let's just close this thing.
Yeah, and then you have to pull the latch over. It's not like a spring-loaded latch like you would expect. There we go.
And then
Well, don't.
well, these doesn't pull out easily at all.
Yeah.
I'm tugging it quite a bit.
That it cracks. I don't understand why they included these.
Probably just to keep air out of it or dust out of it.
Because any card you're going to want to put in there is going to be a dual slot.
I mean, there are some single slot GPUs.
Not that you would want to put in this. If this is gamer focused.
It's gamer focused, but they have to.
But then the thing is, if you want one that's like, you know... Oh, can I see the front of it?
Well, I mean, I do like that the power supply is actually swappable. And it's big enough. You can house pretty much any power supply you want. I just hate that there's so much open space here inside. I could have used that for something, you know?
True.
Like, they could have, like, mounted a USB bus or even just more shit that they could have plugged into it and just had all the, like, actual card here.
Alright. So, we'll make a video update, like, when the... when we actually get the laptop. Otherwise, it looks pretty beefy. I mean, it's smaller than I thought it was going to be.
It's pretty heavy, though, comparably.
It's got a full-fledged power supply in there. I'm curious to see how loud it gets.
Probably gonna run as loud.
I mean, it's smart though because you could see the fan through there.